Imagine starting your own online baking business with minimal startup costs and the potential for high income. That's the beauty of selling baked goods online. Its flexibility gives you the freedom to maintain operations and do what you do best, baking. Contrary to popular belief, the baking business is a year-round business with the potential for high-ticket and daily sales. It is not a seasonal, occasional, or merely a source of passive income. Baking is fun, but it's still a business. So, this is not a baking course, it's a business course for pro bakers. Its actionable content is designed to help you create marketing strategies to easily convert visitors to paying customers, run your business efficiently and stress-free, and give you trade secrets to building a menu and generate customer orders every single day of the year. We've also included special tools for creating a startup budget, managing ingredients and inventory, managing costs and pricing for profitability. Even if you're working under strict cottage food laws, this course will show you several options to optimize your operations within these restrictions and still make a ton of money. Get started now and build a high-income baking business from home.